Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm participating in the 2019 DIY and Decor Challenge hosted by the DIY Mommy. Today I will be decorating my daughter's nursery all ready for the holidays. I am so excited to share decorating this room with you as well as how the final product turned out. If you're new to my channel, thank you for clicking on this video today. My name is Kirstie and I make videos all about home decorating, DIYs, home tours, and I love to inspire you, my YouTube family, to create and make beautiful spaces in your own homes. Now let's get into the video. This is gonna be a really good one. So the first thing I'm going to add to my daughter's room is this adorable 4.5 foot Christmas tree that I picked up from Target. I got it over the Veterans Day long weekend, so I did get a discount off it, but it's a really sweet tree if you're looking for one this size, so I'll link it in the description box below. And you can see how I just spend a lot of time really fluffing out the branches, and this is the absolute key to making a faux tree look as real as possible. So really spend time spreading out the branches, filling in the middle of the tree, and splaying them out around the outer edges. This tree is so petite that it really took me no time at all. What are you doing? Yeah. The first decoration I'm going to add is a star to the top of the tree, and you can see my little helper here keeping an eye on what I'm doing with her room. The star wouldn't sit quite straight, so I did bend down the very top branch of the tree to make it twice as thick so that it would sit nicely. Now, every decoration that I put on this tree is shatterproof. I am still using metal hooks to hang them because while Chloe can stand and take some steps assisted, she cannot walk unassisted yet. So I'm not too worried about her getting into the tree and getting the hooks off and hurting herself. Perhaps next year I might use fishing line or something like that to tie them on instead so that there's less of an issue as far as her injuring herself. But for now, I think this will work great. And I just love these sweet pink baubles. I think they add such a girly feminine touch. And I used all gold, white and silver decorations, so it's really feminine and girly and a little bit glitzy, and I just think it's absolutely so sweet. And her nursery is woodland animal themed, so I did have to add this cute little owl to the tree as well. Over on the rocking chair, I'm adding in this pretty pink snowflake cushion, a small joy pillow, and this sweet little polar bear stuffed animal. Now, Chloe's open farmhouse shelves are one of my favorite things to decorate in her room. I usually just add small seasonal touches, but for the holidays, I decided to take everything off and add completely new items. The cotton print up the top I got in my recent Joann's haul, and these reindeer I had from last year. I think they might be from Pier 1, and I thought they just worked really well with the woodland animals theme in her room. Now I'm adding a bit of greenery here. You can see I'm messing around with exactly where I want to put items, and that is honestly the key whenever you decorate open shelving, is just to play around and move things around until you're happy with them. Now, I have plenty of videos on how to decorate open shelves. If you want to see more about that, I'll link them in the description box below. Beside her snow globe, I decided to add in this sweet little family photo from our fall pumpkin picking trip. And on the other side of the shelves, I'm adding this adorable nutcracker that I picked up from Michael's, with the addition of a sweet little swan stuffed animal from Cuddle and Kind, and these figurines that one of my good friends got for me. Her shelves are complete. So I hope you enjoyed seeing how this room came together. I absolutely love it, and it let me play around with some really feminine Christmas colors that I don't usually use around the main part of my home, and I really had so much fun with that. If you enjoyed what you saw today, I would love if you could give me a thumbs up. It really helps my channel out. And if you would like to stick around and become part of my YouTube family, all you need to do is click that subscribe button down below. Don't forget to check out the playlist to get inspired from the other collaborators in this year's holiday decor challenge. I know there's going to be plenty of creativity on display. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!